文係好重要㗎。法國大革命嘅時候呢，最好的時候點解？因為你可以推翻一啲獨裁嘅君主嘅主義啦。最差的時候，因為你無政府狀態啊嘛，唔啱嘅就斬頭咁樣啦。斷頭台就喺嗰陣發明嘅。你係大智若愚啊，定係大愚若智呢？ Age of Foolishness， 跟住呢就係有信念，因為你就推翻咗個王國，跟住建立一個共和國。所以喺呢一個啦 ，at the beginning of the story, contrasting sentence are written to bring about the extreme living conditions people are living. For example， 最好的時候，最差的時候 ，Age of Wisdom, Age of Foolishness。跟住係一個嘅 Spring of Hope， 亦都係 Winter of Despair， 沮喪啊呢個字。然之後啦 ，provide the background of the story during the French Revolution。People had different views of the situation they were in。有人覺得好，有人覺得差啦。OK， 邊個覺得係春天啊？春天喎，一定唔啱。平民覺得係春天啊。喂，啲貴族俾人斬頭噶嘛，所以佢哋推翻咗呢一班有錢人，佢哋咪春天咯。呢班人要斬頭噶嘛，個個都上斷頭台，佢哋咪冬天咯，定咪 despair 咯。